Forget the guidebooks, come with me. Let's embark on a journey to a place that isn't on the typical tourist map. Let's explore Burewala, a city pulsing with life in Pakistan's Punjab province. This isn't just any city, it's a vibrant tapestry of culture, history and everyday life. Nestled between the bustling cities of Multan and Lahore, Burewala is a place where tradition meets modernity. Here the old and the new coexist in a harmonious blend. It's a city that feeds the nation, a place where the land whispers stories of ancient times and hard-working people. The fields stretch out like a green ocean tended by farmers whose hands tell tales of dedication and resilience. Burewala is the kind of place that gets under your skin. Its charm is subtle but profound, leaving an indelible mark on those who take the time to explore its depths. It's gritty, it's real, and it's full of surprises. Every corner you turn reveals a new facet of life, a new story waiting to be told. Don't expect fancy hotels or tourist traps here. Instead, you'll find modest guest houses and inns that offer a warm, personal touch. This is a city that rewards the adventurous, the curious traveler seeking an authentic taste of Pakistan. It's a place where every interaction is genuine and every experience is heartfelt. Burewala is a city of farmers, traders and artisans. Each person you meet contributes to the rich tapestry of this community. The air hums with the energy of commerce. Markets buzz with activity and the streets are alive with the sounds of daily life. The streets are a kaleidoscope of sights, sounds and smells. From the vibrant colors of market stalls to the enticing aromas of street food, every sense is engaged. Here you'll find the true heart of Punjab, where hospitality is a way of life and every meal is a celebration. The locals welcome you with open arms, eager to share their culture and traditions. So, ditch the itinerary and follow your senses. Let the sights, sounds and smells guide you through this hidden gem. Burewala is waiting to be discovered. It's a place where every moment is an adventure and every experience is a story worth telling. Burewala is a city rooted in the earth. The land here is fertile, nourished by the Indus River and the intricate network of canals that crisscross the region. Step outside the city and you're surrounded by a sea of green, a patchwork of fields stretching as far as the eye can see. This is the breadbasket of Punjab, where farmers cultivate a bounty of crops that sustain the nation. Wheat, rice, cotton, sugarcane. The lifeblood of Pakistan flows from these fields. The air is thick with the scent of freshly tilled earth, a testament to the tireless work of the people who call this land home. Generations of farmers have honed their skills, coaxing abundance from the land. It's backbreaking work, but there's a deep sense of pride in their eyes as they survey their fields. This is honest work, feeding families and fueling the nation. Burewala has a story to tell in every season, but like a good dish, timing is everything. The city experiences a hot, semi-arid climate, so pack your sunscreen and your sense of adventure. The best time to visit is during the cooler months, from October to March. The weather is pleasant, perfect for exploring the city's markets and soaking up the local culture. Avoid the scorching summer months when temperatures can soar. Come during harvest season and you'll witness the city come alive with activity. The streets are abuzz with farmers bringing in their crops, and the air is filled with the sweet smell of ripe sugarcane. It's a celebration of life, a testament to the enduring spirit of Burewala. Beyond the city limits, a different kind of beauty unfolds. The landscape might seem arid at first glance, but look closer. Life finds a way. The flora and fauna of Burewala tell a tale of resilience and adaptation. The canals, lifelines of the region, are fringed with emerald green vegetation. Date palm trees stand tall, casting long shadows across the land. Neem trees, their leaves prized for their medicinal properties, dot the landscape. Look closely and you might spot a flash of color. A kingfisher diving for its prey, or a hoopoe bird with its distinctive crown of feathers. The fields themselves teem with life. Butterflies dance among the cotton plants, their wings a riot of color. Cattle graze peacefully, their bells tinkling in the distance. This is a world where nature and agriculture coexist, where life finds a way to thrive even in the harshest of environments. Section 5: Canals, lifelines of Burewala's landscape. Water is life, and nowhere is that truer than in Burewala. This is a land where every drop is precious, where the rhythm of life is dictated by the ebb and flow of the canals. These man-made waterways, snaking through the landscape like silver ribbons, are the arteries of Burewala, carrying lifeblood to the fields and sustaining the region's agricultural bounty. And the Ravi Canal, a major irrigation project, is a testament to human ingenuity and determination. It's a lifeline, transforming arid land into fertile fields. The canals aren't just functional, they're an integral part of the region's beauty. Take a walk along the canal banks and you'll be rewarded with a sense of tranquility. The air is cool and refreshing, a welcome respite from the heat of the day. The sound of water gently lapping against the banks is hypnotic, a soothing balm for the soul. Section 6, From Fields to Factories, Burewala's Economic Engine. Burewala is a city on the move, a place where the entrepreneurial spirit thrives. Nestled in the heart of Punjab, this city has transformed itself from a sleepy agricultural town into a bustling economic hub. The streets are alive with the energy of progress and the air is thick with the promise of opportunity. The city's economy, once solely reliant on agriculture, is now a dynamic mix of farming, industry and trade. This transformation didn't happen overnight. It is the result of years of hard work and dedication by the people of Burewala. The fields that once only grew crops now share space with factories that produce goods for both local and international markets. This is a place where people aren't afraid of hard work, where innovation goes hand in hand with tradition. The farmers till the land with the same dedication as their ancestors, but now they also embrace modern techniques and technologies to increase yield and efficiency. The agricultural sector remains the backbone of the economy. The fertile lands of Burewala produce a variety of crops from wheat and rice to sugarcane and cotton. These crops not only feed the local population but also contribute significantly to the national economy. Burewala is a major centre for cotton production, and its cotton ginning factories are a hive of activity, processing the fluffy white gold that will eventually be transformed into textiles. The cotton industry provides employment to thousands and is a critical part of the city's economic fabric. Rice mills, another vital part of the local economy, hum with the sound of industry. These mills process the rice harvested from the fields, turning it into a staple food that is consumed both locally and exported to other regions. But Burewala is more than just fields and factories. It is a city that has embraced change while holding on to its roots. The blend of old and new is evident in every corner, from the traditional markets to the modern industrial zones. Its strategic location on the crossroads of major trade routes makes it a hub for commerce. Goods flow in and out of the city, connecting Burewala to the rest of the country and beyond. This connectivity has spurred growth and attracted businesses from various sectors. The city's markets are a testament to this entrepreneurial spirit, with vendors hawking everything from spices and textiles to electronics and household goods. These bustling markets are the lifeblood of Burewala, reflecting the diversity and vibrancy of its economy. The people of Burewala have shown that with hard work, innovation, and a bit of entrepreneurial spirit, a city can transform itself and thrive in the modern world. Section 7. The Rhythms of Life, Culture and Tradition in Burewala. Burewala's heart beats to the rhythm of its people. This is a city where tradition runs deep, where hospitality is a way of life, and where every occasion, big or small, is celebrated with gusto. Step into the heart of the city and you'll be enveloped by a cacophony of sounds. The call to prayer from the mosques, the chatter of vendors in the marketplace, the laughter of children playing in the streets. The aroma of spices wafts from street food stalls, tempting you to sample the local delicacies. Life here is lived in the streets, in the shared moments of joy and sorrow. Weddings are grand affairs with music, dancing and feasts that last for days. Religious festivals, such as Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha, are celebrated with fervor, bringing families and communities together. Section 8, Beyond Burewala. Exploring Punjab's treasures, Burewala is a fantastic starting point for delving deeper into Punjab's captivating tapestry. This small town, with its serene landscapes and warm-hearted people, offers a glimpse into the rich cultural heritage that defines Punjab. As the sun rises over the fields, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, you can feel the promise of adventure in the air. A short journey away lies Multan, a city steeped in history and spirituality. Known as the City of Saints, Multan is a treasure trove of ancient monuments and spiritual sites. The skyline is dotted with historic structures that tell tales of a rich and varied past. Explore the ancient tombs of Sufi saints, their intricate architecture a testament to a bygone era. These tombs, with their detailed carvings and serene ambience, offer a window into the spiritual heart of Punjab. Each tomb tells a story of devotion and artistry, inviting you to pause and reflect. Wander through the bustling bazaars filled with the scent of spices and the vibrant colours of traditional handicrafts. The markets of Multan are a sensory delight, where every corner reveals a new surprise. From aromatic spices to beautifully crafted textiles, the bazaars are a testament to the region's rich artisanal heritage. Venture further afield to Lahore, the cultural capital of Pakistan. This vibrant city is a melting pot of history, culture, and modernity. Its streets are alive with the sounds of bustling markets, the aroma of street food, and the echoes of its storied past. Lose yourself in the grandeur of the Mughal-era architecture, from the majestic Badshahi Mosque to the intricate Lahore Fort. These iconic landmarks are not just architectural marvels, but also symbols of the city's rich history and cultural legacy. Each structure stands as a testament to the artistic and engineering prowess of the Mughal era. Stroll through the Shalimar Gardens, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and let the beauty of Mughal landscaping captivate your senses. The gardens, with their meticulously designed layouts and serene water features, offer a peaceful retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. It's a place where history and nature come together in perfect harmony. But don't just stick to the cities. The true essence of Punjab lies in its countryside, where the landscape is painted with lush green fields and the air is filled with the sounds of nature. Here you can experience the simple joys of rural life and connect with the land in a way that is both grounding and enriching. Venture out into the countryside and you'll be rewarded with a glimpse into the heart of rural Punjab. The villages, with their traditional farming practices and close-knit communities, offer a stark contrast to the urban hustle. It's a place where time seems to slow down, allowing you to savor each moment. Visit traditional villages, where life moves at a slower pace. Here you can witness the daily rhythms of village life, from the early morning milking of cows to the evening gatherings around a communal fire. It's a way of life that has remained largely unchanged for generations. Share a cup of chai with the locals and listen to their stories of life on the land. These moments of connection offer a deeper understanding of the region's culture and traditions. As you sip the warm, spiced tea, you'll find yourself immersed in the rich tapestry of Punjab's heritage, woven with threads of history, community, and timeless beauty. Section 9. Burewala, a journey to remember. Burewala isn't just a dot on the map, it's a journey into the heart of Pakistan. It's a city that stays with you long after you've left, a place where you'll discover the true meaning of hospitality and the enduring spirit of the human spirit. Burewala's charm lies in its authenticity. This is a city that hasn't been sanitized for tourists. It's raw, it's real, and it's full of life. Come with an open mind and a willingness to embrace the unexpected, and you'll be richly rewarded. The best time to visit is during the cooler months, from October to March, when the weather is ideal for exploring the city's many facets. But no matter when you choose to go, Burewala is sure to leave an unforgettable mark on your soul.